Canva. Canva is a graphic design platform used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. The app includes templates for users to use. The platform is free to use and offers paid subscriptions like Canva Pro and Canva for Enterprise for additional functionality. Users can also pay for physical products to be printed and shipped. Krita. Krita is a free and open-source raster graphics editor designed primarily for digital painting and 2D animation. It runs on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and Chrome OS. It features an OpenGL accelerated canvas, color management support, an advanced brush engine, non-destructive layers and masks, group-based layer management, vector artwork support and switchable customization profiles. Blender. Blender is a free and open-source 3D computer graphics software toolset used for creating animated films, visual effects, art, 3D printed models, motion graphics, interactive 3D applications, virtual reality, and computer games. Blender's features include 3D modeling, UV unwrapping, texturing, raster graphics editing, rigging and skinning, fluid and smoke simulation, particle simulation, soft body simulation, sculpting. GIMP. GIMP, GNU Image Manipulation Program, is a free and open-source raster graphics editor used for image manipulation and image editing, freeform drawing, transcoding between different image file formats, and more specialized tasks. GIMP is released under GPLv 3+ license and is available for Linux, Mac OS, and Microsoft Windows. Deoldify. Deoldify is a state-of-the-art way to colorize black and white images. You can try it right now by visiting the free Google Colab notebook for photos or video. The notebooks are open source and available to all. The best version of Deoldify is exclusively available on MyHeritage. MyHeritage provides several choices to make sure your photos all color their best. Splitter. Isolating instruments from music is now possible using AI, and Splitter is based on Deezer's open-source research project Splitter to accomplish this. Currently a few different models are available, 2-stem and 5-stem models. The 5-stem model, for example, can extract vocals, drums, piano, bass and other, while the 2-stem model extracts the instrumental and the vocals. Vertex Share AI. Image Upscaler uses AI technology and deep learning to learn how to upscale images. During the enlargement process, the program will sharpen and reduce the noise of the uploaded images. This service is 100% free and no money required. Feel free to upload your image and start enlargement. Lobe. Lobe has everything you need to bring your machine learning ideas to life. Just show it examples of what you want it to learn, and it automatically trains a custom machine learning model that can be shipped in your app. Designed to be easy enough for anyone to use. No code or experience required. Lobe simplifies the process of machine learning into 3 easy steps. Train your model and understand your results. Then play, improve, and export your model. PBNify. This online tool is a great way to create your own paint by numbers. All you need to do is upload your picture above, and then pick the zones within the photo that you want to turn into a custom DIY paint by number. Bring your favorite photo to life with this DIY method and create your custom paint by numbers. You might want to paint a loved one, a family member, or a pet. Geometrize. Geometrize recreates images using simple geometric shapes, like rectangles, triangles, and ellipses. The app gives you full control over the geometrization process, with intuitive, interactive options for the types of shape to use, shape opacity, areas to focus, and more. It is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Caesium. Image Compressor. Providing a simple yet effective interface with a real-time preview and multiple image processing at the same time. Everyone will be able to reach the best result in photo compressing. VLC is a free and open-source cross-platform multimedia player and framework that plays most multimedia files as well as DVDs, audio CDs, VCDs, and various streaming protocols. Runs on all platforms: Windows, Linux, Mac OS X, Unix, iOS, Android. Completely free, no spyware, no ads, and no user tracking. "4K video downloader." Enjoy watching videos anywhere, anytime, even when you are offline. Downloading is simple and straightforward. Just copy the link from your browser and click paste link in the application. Save from YouTube in high quality and various video or audio formats. Download your YouTube mix, watch later, liked videos and private YouTube playlists. Davinci Resolve. Davinci Resolve is a color correction and non-linear video editing application for macOS, Windows, and Linux, originally developed by Davinci Systems and now developed by Blackmagic Design. In addition to the commercial version of the software, Blackmagic Design also distributes a free edition with reduced functionality. Standalone free versions is still a great tool for anyone who wants the wide tool capability for video editing. Audacity. Audacity is a free and open-source digital audio editor and recording application software available for Windows, macOS, Linux, and other Unix-like operating systems. In addition to recording audio from multiple sources, Audacity can be used for post-processing of all types of audio by adding effects such as normalization. Audacity has also been used to record and mix entire albums. OBS. Open Broadcaster software is a free and open-source cross-platform streaming and recording program built with Qt and maintained by the OBS project. Since 2016, the software is now referred to as OBS Studio. There are versions of OBS Studio available for Microsoft Windows, macOS, and Linux. OBS provides real-time source and device capture, scene composition, encoding, recording, and broadcasting. Libre CAD is a free CAD application for 2D design. It works on Linux, macOS, Unix, and Windows operating systems. Most of the interface and handle concepts are analogous to AutoCAD, making it easier to use for users with experience of this type of commercial CAD application. Libre CAD uses the AutoCAD DXF file format internally for import and save files. Free CAD. Free CAD is a free and open-source general-purpose parametric 3D CAD modeler software. Free CAD is intended for mechanical engineering product design, but also expands to a wider range of uses around engineering, such as architecture or electrical engineering. LastPass. LastPass is a freemium password manager that stores encrypted passwords online. A user's content in LastPass, including passwords and secure notes, is protected by one master password. ZENmate VPN. ZENmate provides reliable security and privacy to people all over the world, and they keep no logs or history of your activity online. All free software links are in video description below the video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. It helps improve the channel a lot. See you next time.